Hey, what's going on, my Bose friends? Hope you're having a great day, and just came across my email that Bose came out with a new color of these SoundSport free truly wireless sport headphones. Now I will put a link to take you here where you get more information on the product, and I'll also put a link where I did a full review on the product. So initially came with the black, then came the midnight blue and citron, which I really like this color, and now they have bright orange, which is certainly bright. So if you're looking for something a little bit more fun, then this might be a nice color. So let's just see how that, let me click on that and you get an idea for the orange with the close-up on the different photos they have. So that will really give you an idea there. And again, just click on the link to get more information. Clearly you could see there's mixed reviews on the product. I had a mixed response and feel on the product, and again you can click on the link to see my full review of my thoughts. As Bose does deliver a great sound, but for some people there were some features that they may have or may not have liked, and if you have any questions, please let me know. But again, I wanted to bring this information to you, let you know about the new color. Alright everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.